My first choice up is the Atom.cg Pro font, excellent for headlines and very modern looking. Building is a great condensed, bold typeface, great for headers. Franchise is another good choice. It has a narrow and bold look as well. Gabo is a font that reminds me of Impact, however it has a little bit more of a chunky look and it just looks great for headers. League Gothic is another great narrow bold header. It's one of my favorites. Another one of my favorites is the font Intro, a much wider, thick and chunky font. Muchacho is another good font. It has a little bit of a Western feel to it. Burial is a great rounded edge font. 8 styles are included, so you'll have many different options with this font. Governor is a great chunky font, and I love the Art Deco style. Axis is a really nice font for very thick and chunky headlines.